Hello everyone and welcome to the next investment video on this channel. Today's topic is NFTs and whether or not it is worthwhile to invest there. Have fun watching the video. What's the story behind the NFT craze? NFTs have been generating quite a stir in the world of digital finance for quite some time. In certain situations, they change hands for millions of euros. NFTs, however, are not a secure investment. NFT stands for non-fungible token, hence NFTs are analogous to non-replaceable digital tokens. These tokens can be applied to files such as photographs, videos, music, or text. Anyone who purchases an NFT obtains a type of certificate as a result. The file associated with the NFT is often still freely available online after the NFT purchase and can be copied or transmitted as many times as needed. The NFT, on the other hand, is one of a kind, and the owner can be easily identified. How much do NFTs cost? NFTs are either sold at a predetermined price or at auction. The pricing range is enormous. In March 2021, Christie's auctioned off the world's most expensive NFT to date for the equivalent of 69 million US dollars. The digital artwork Everydays, the first 5,000 days, a composite of 5,000 individual photographs, was displayed behind it. How do you find out who owns an NFT? NFTs are built on blockchain technology, which is essentially a digital, decentralized database. This network is also utilized for cryptocurrency and is said to be highly safe for data storage. During the procedure, data is saved on a variety of machines. As a result, all network members may determine who owns an NFT. NFTs are traded where? There are various digital marketplaces where you may trade NFTs, including OpenSea, Rarible, and SuperRare. NFTs are generally paid for with Ethereum, a cryptocurrency. Those who wish to trade NFTs often require a wallet, which is a type of digital purse in which cryptocurrencies may be held. If you don't want to miss out on any more recent investment news, I'd be grateful for an ABO and a like. Thank you very much. Are NFTs a good financial investment? Trading NFTs is extremely dangerous because there is no actual value behind NFTs or the cryptocurrencies used to pay for NFTs, especially given the volatility of crypto prices. While substantial gains have been realized using NFTs, the expectation of large earnings is very speculative. Of course, NFTs are not invariably a washout. However, if I were to test it out, I would only do so with very little amounts. I would not deposit larger sums. Hendrik Bers of the Consumer Web Finance Tip offers his advice. How long can NFTs last? Because NFTs, like cryptocurrencies, are built on blockchain technology, they have been chastised for having a high carbon footprint. The reason for this is because the computers and data centers that enable blockchain technology demand a massive amount of energy. If you have any other questions about NFTs, feel free to post them in the comments. What are you interested in the investment topic? Let me know in the comments, among other things.